Jump into the car on a Friday night. I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town. I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young. It doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like. There ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful. And I'm so lucky to be yours.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new. Today I am going to show you how to decorate and make use of a very small bedroom. I went and I purchased this cube system from Target because we took the boys' bunk beds down. They wanted it down, so we went ahead and did it, and the room has no space for a dresser, so I had to get this cube system, trying to make do with what we've got. Their rooms are super small, so we got to figure this out. They were so excited to have their room fixed up, so that is what I am going to spend my time on today. The dogs are going crazy around me. They are loving all this open space. I'm so happy Ruby is finally liking her sister. They have been just going nonstop, honestly. I think it's great for both of them. So I am going to build this. I got this from Target, as you can see, the Threshold brand. And I wanted to let you guys know first, thank you Ernie for sponsoring today's video. You guys, Ernie is a browser extension and it's free to install with Google Chrome. As you can see right here, you go and you just add it to your Chrome and it's put at the right hand corner. So every time you shop from your computer, you are able to go through Ernie and get cash back. And my favorite thing about this is they track your purchases. So if for any reason the price of the purchase goes down, you are notified, which I love that because you guys know I am a go for it. I need a clearance sale all day long, so this is amazing. I also have this app on my phone, so you can have it on your browser or your phone, so there is no excuse not to use it and to save money. Retailers pay Ernie when you activate money back, so Ernie gives it to you and you get your money back and you can cash out via PayPal, which is awesome. And every time you don't use this way to shop and to save money, you pretty much leave money on the table. So this is just like a no-brainer. You can see I went and I purchased some items for Noah from Target and I went through my browser and here it is right here. He had this shirt, he wore it at Dinosaur World, and they are tracking my purchases as well as my little birthday present to myself. I got myself some rocking chairs, which I am going to put those together ASAP. I cannot wait. It is perfect for spring. So I just wanted to show this to you guys really quick. I want you to save money. You know how important it is for me to save money. I am such a frugal shopper, and if you can get money back for purchases you are already going to make, I feel like it's a no-brainer, and I love doing this. And when I get notified that prices were dropped and I'm getting that back and you get money back on other purchases, that makes me so happy. So I know my money is being spent the best way possible. And if you see here on the screen, every time you shop online, this little pop-up appears. You just click it and you get cash back, which is amazing. So I'm going to put together this little cube system here. This is a better quality one than the normal ones that I see. Like, I know that there's a Closet Made one, but that holds, I think it's 11-inch bins. This carries or holds 13-inch bins. So it's more durable. I like the finish of it a lot better. It doesn't feel as flimsy. So it was great. And I think it is not much more, maybe $10 more than the Closet Made ones. Very good quality. I would highly recommend this. I'm thinking about getting one for my office as well, because like I said, really nice and super easy to put together. Here are the bins that I chose to get. I love this color blue, and I figured that if I ever needed to use it for any part of the house, it would look perfect. You guys know I am all about the blue tones. So we took the beds down, and these rooms are about 10 by 10, super tight, but we're gonna make the best because this is how they want it. We were not able to keep the dresser in here, as you can see. So I'm going to start organizing all of their clothes. This needs to be done anyways. Going to put some new sheets on their bed. It's the evening, so I'm going to try to get this done as much as possible now. Here are the bins. These are the 13-inch bins I showed you, but we're going to be organizing this, and I'm also going to be hanging some pictures and stuff, decorating the rest of the house today. So that is what we are doing. Wow, it is really tight in here, y'all. Because we don't have a lot of room in this bedroom, I do a lot of storage under their beds. The other kids have a bunk bed as well, but I actually cut the feet off so it wasn't so high up. But this one is a standard size and it's perfect. I am going to be cleaning all of these little dust bunnies around the wainscoting because it starts to build up so much. I love having this trim in here, but it definitely is a dust collector. But this Swiffer is amazing to just get in here and clean it super quick. I am going to go ahead and put the cube system in here and start decorating that as well. I am going to use the bins that I already had from a long time ago, and they are also from Target. You'll see it here. It's the gray and white striped ones. I always like to use what I have first before buying anything. That is my little pro tip. Shop your house first. Don't just rush out and buy anything. But I know I needed this cube system, so I love it. I think it's super cute and it fits perfectly right here in their room. So I did the KonMari folding method for the kids' shorts. I don't usually adopt this system of folding, but because we have such a tight space and I need to maximize the space as much as possible, I chose to do it. And it makes it super easy for Noah to be able to see what he has in here. He does a great job of getting himself dressed in the morning. He matches and it looks really good, so I wanted to make it easy for him. So like I said, I don't usually fold that way, but it works for tight spaces. Here are all of his clothes. These are Josiah's clothes actually that I'm going to put in here. They are very tightly packed and it works perfect. Luckily they don't have a ton of long sweatpants and whatnot because we do live in Florida and I feel like we only need like jeans and things like that once or twice a year. I'm going to start pulling all of the boys' sheets off of their bed. I have been staying on top of their linens with all this sickness going around. That is a little tip. Wash your kids' sheets, especially if they are kind of in quarantine now, not supposed to be going anywhere. This is your opportunity to go in there and completely disinfect. I actually was filming a video for Thursday showing you how to disinfect everything in your house, but my camera broke. So you will not see that until probably Sunday. So I will continue on in here. The dogs love to be my company and I love it as well. And I am going to continue to put all their little cute stuff on their walls. Smelly dog, what are they feeding you? Smelly dog, it's not your fault. Time to figure out what this could be. I dreamt of a life in a small town that wasn't enough for you somehow. You know I have to add my daily amount of silliness in my videos because you guys, that's just me. And she was smelly today. The kids got her wet and you know how wet dogs smell. So she got a little bit of a bath and name that show. I know it's not dog. I know it's Smelly Cat. But tell me, do you know where I got that song?
Just trust your head and your heart. That's what my mom
I'm going to put their little decor in new spots in their room and try to clear off anything like this Minecraft poster we no longer want. I have been wanting to get this off of their walls for a hot minute, y'all. But I have been really good and I left it. But I'm going to put their letters here. I got this from Walmart so long ago. I know that Hobby Lobby sells them a lot bigger. These are from Walmart. And then the little N that I put above Noah's bed is from Hobby Lobby. I got it on clearance a couple of years ago. The arrows are also from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to hang them with command strips. That is usually how I will hang the majority of my items because I am the worst at measuring, if I'm just being honest. Oh yeah, and it's good for the walls. That's right. I'm going to clean off the door here with the Swiffer and get any of the dust that has collected back over here. I'm going to be honest, this room has always been a struggle for me. I actually have a couple of rooms in my house that are a struggle. I can't get good angles in here, or they're just really tight. So I'm trying to make the best use out of our space. I mean, this is what we've been blessed with at this time, and I just can't even worry about picking up and moving right now. This is where we're at. So like I said, wherever you're at in the season of life you are in, embrace it. Be where you're at, and you can get very, very creative on how to make the best use out of small spaces like I did. Those cube systems are absolutely awesome. And then you saw that I had the under the bed rolling things, plastic things. I got those from Target. And they're great for holding clothes, winter clothes, or toys. Like you see, I put all the boys' Legos in there. So you can get really creative about space because we don't all have infinite amount of space, and I have a lot of kids and they have to share. So don't be discouraged if the rooms are small where you're at. You can get super creative and you can make it work. I'm using an old hamper for their costumes. My boys have a ton of costumes. All of the Halloween outfits always turn into their yearly costumes. And if I see them on clearance after Halloween, I'll just pick them up because usually they're super cheap and they love to play in them. And I think they are so cute running around as little Spider-Man, Batman, and Iron Man. I am putting away some socks. Funny story. Josiah asked my mom, "Can you buy me some socks? Not for my birthday, not for Christmas, just 'cause." And my mom's heart was breaking. So of course she rushed, immediately put an Amazon order and got us a ton of socks. I'm like, what is going on? And she told me what had happened, and I started laughing because our sweet little Hazel takes all of their socks after they wear them and chews them. And I didn't know, I had seen holes in them and I was throwing away socks left and right, and then it dawned on me, it's Hazel. Because I asked the boys, what is going on with your socks? And like, we just play really hard. And I'm like, wow, geez, you guys really do. So my mom's little heart was breaking. She bought them like 24 pairs each. So I'm putting all of those away. I just thought it was so funny and super sweet. And then I'm going to go ahead and put their clean linens on their bed. These sheets are from Target, and I got them about a year ago. It's just like Superman, or not Superman, but like superhero sheets, and they love them. They're super cute, and the comforters are also from Target.
City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. Stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm
I want to encourage you guys, if you are in a place or a season in your life where you're wanting more, maybe you have a lot of small rooms, you're not in love with the home that you're living in, or the car, or the clothes, or the family. I want to encourage you, something I have been doing recently, and it has really been so good for my soul. Don't look for so much inspiration on Facebook or Instagram. Go to Pinterest, find blogs, places like that. I have been doing that instead of endlessly scrolling on Facebook and Instagram and looking at what other people have. for inspiration, go to Pinterest and say like I did, small room organization, or how to make the best out of a small space, or how to get dressed on a budget, or how to do this, that, and the other. When I did things like that, I felt like my soul was in a better spot. My mindset stayed in a positive space. And I want to encourage you to do that as well. If you are following people, and I'm going to include myself in that, which I can't even imagine that anybody would look towards me and think, oh, I don't feel good enough, because I hope you guys don't, because you know we're in this together. But sorry, sidetracked. I just want to encourage you, if you are feeling like that, do not continue to sit there and watch other people. I want to encourage you to go find people or things that uplift you and motivate you and encourage you and let you know that wherever you are at is exactly where you're supposed to be at, and better things are coming. And get creative, get on Pinterest, find ways to make the best out of whatever season of life you're in. And I hope and pray that when you come to my channel, that you feel like an equal to me. You don't feel like you're comparing yourself with me, because friend, me and you, we're in this together. And I want you to know that. So be very mindful of the things that you are looking at and watching, and don't let it bring you down, because you are absolutely amazing and you are exactly where you're supposed to be.
Story that's got me blind. Got only you on my mind.
Okay, we're gonna get their expression. They haven't seen it yet. Okay, boys, come in. Come on.
Looks the same.
What do you think?
Amazing.
Amazing? You love it? As you eat a blueberry waffle on the bed? Okay.
Uh-huh.
What do you think, Noah? All right, good talk. Okay, so all your socks are there.
I like how you did the J in the end.
That's right, I did the J. I did the N, I did the arrows, the 2 arrows up there. I put Kaboom above yours, and he had Pal.
Yeah, because you didn't put it there. It was just had to stay there.
It was there, yeah.
And that was it too.
Look at the closet. Go look in the closet, Josiah. It looks like Noah's not interested. All the closet. Look, there are your pajamas, workout shorts, Noah's workout shorts, Noah's pajamas, and we'll put shoes down there. Your books, extra Legos. Those are Noah's. Oh, these are yours. Yeah, these are yours, but there was no room. Okay. It's getting warm. You don't need long pants anymore. Got your books up there, some extra stuff. Are you happy?
Yeah.
Oh, good, buddy.
Even though words are deceiving, you move on. 'Cause every time I try, yeah, every time I dream, there's always this big part of me.
Hey, hop off. I don't want you to miss it. And this is your baby. Here's your baby blanket.
That I loved and I like.
And then Noah's baby blanket. All my boys had a baby blanket. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. I appreciate you more than you know. Don't forget to check out my description box for the link to Ernie, because you do not want to miss out this opportunity. Save money on things you're already going to buy.
Gotta get
Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet already, and I will see you with a ton of new videos. I love y'all. You are worthy. You are amazing. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.